Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again today. Today I'm not going to cook anything, but I'm going to make a face mask. It's one of these from fabric. Let me show you how it looks. So that's your face mask made from fabric. So this you can wash it again and again. And as you know, from the 24th of this month, you have to wear one. So it's very easy to make, it takes about 5 minutes and a little bit of fabric. Okay, so you have your fabric here. There's two fabrics. Now you put your disc on the top, which is 25 centimeters. Right, you draw a line. See? Okay. And then you cut. There you go, a round disc, and then you fold it in half. You can iron it if you want to, but because this is lycra, it's not going to help. If you have a cotton, then it's best to iron it. And you fold it again, so you have this shape here. Okay, now what you do is you measure 4 centimeters, draw a line, a dot, and then you do 8 centimeters. You see that? So that's your round, your radius on here, on the right, on the left you got straight. And what you do is you put your disc or your plate and you draw a line like so. And when you do that, you cut. And you will have 2 of these. Let's open it. You see that? That's what you'll have. And now what you do is you do a stitch there, there, and another stitch there. Okay, so your first stitch on there, Bismillah. One stitch, and the other stitch on the other side, like so. You see? And you'll have this shape. You see? What you need to do is do this, line up the seams, the stitching in the middle, like so, and do another stitch on here. Okay, so that's what you do. I do another one, same. But this time you need to leave a small flap or opening area, about 3 fingers. Okay. Now you will need to turn it inside out like so. You will need a marker or something to a pen to get this to straighten up the corners. When you do that, If you're using a cotton, then it's best to iron it, but because it's lycra, ironing is not going to help. And then what you do a top stitch like so. That's the open bit. So what you do is you just fold it in. That's done. One side is done, you see. Now you move to the other side. Okay. Okay, so at this stage, you get the face masks almost done. You have the shape, you see. Now, what you need to do is fold in the edges like so and do a stitch. On both sides. So I'll do this one first. And now the other side. Okay. That's what you end up with. This shape. Now you're going to put the elastic that goes around your ears. Let's get the elastic. Okay, so I've got two pieces of elastic which is 24 centimeters each in length. You need to put that in there, so I'm just using a hair clip, one of these, whatever they're called, this hair thing. You just loop it in. You use any other means if you don't have one of these. So you got that in there. Same with the other side. You know, it's very easy to make, so the video is actually in real time, so it doesn't take long to make. So you got that there. Now what you want to do is stick this together. You can either do it with the machine if your machine can do that, if not then you do it by hand. So I'll do it with the machine, it's much easier. And because this is an industrial machine, it will stitch the rubber like as it is. Some machine won't do it, so you do it by hand. Okay, same with the other side. Just overlap about ½ an inch and stitch. Cut out the threads. So what you stitch it, this needs to go inside because it doesn't look good. You see, it goes inside like so. The same with the other, goes inside. And there's something here, it's optional, you don't have to do it, but it's best to do it. What you need to do, you do one stitch on the edge. I lost the thread underneath, so I've got to turn the camera off. Okay, so that's your face mask already. It's very simple to make, very comfortable, and it's, as you know, it's fabric, so it's washable. You can use it again and again. The reason I've done a stitch there is it's locked. See the seam that is in the middle, or you can even tie a knot to it. And if you do a stitch on one of the ends, what that will do is you will lock it so you won't, that nut won't come out. So it's much neater, you see. And that's your mask done. Took about 5 minutes to make, I think.